Hello, juniors. It's that time of the week again where I get to get out my snazzy snakeskin golden book. I wonder who's in there this week. Now, before I go to the golden book, I would first like to say a big well done to all of you for completing such fantastic work, both in Zoom sessions and on Seesaw this week. No matter whether you're in this or not, you've all worked very hard, and I want to say well done and thank you. Now, on to the golden book. Very important. So, first in my snakeskin golden book this week, in 4S, Manveer for working very, very hard on all the work that Miss Soki has given him, and also for learning new things on the computer. Also in 4S, Veer for his excellent reading during our Zoom sessions and enjoying the book on dinosaurs. In 2C, Nandini for always starting the day with a cheery good morning and a smile. She always has a little story to tell Mrs. Cairncross in the morning. Also in 2C, Shanae for reading so well in his small group reading sessions. He's trying really hard and giving it his all. In 3M, well done to Adithi for making two super useful objects from her plastic bottles. And she made a bird feeder and a face mask, and she wrote excellent instructions on how to make them both. Also in 3M, Leah for always taking care with every piece of work she sends, with both presentation and content. She makes sure she gets the most out of each task she completes. Also in 3M, nominated by Mrs. Vahora, well done to Wambui for super work on doubling and halving. Fantastic. In 3R, well done to Kai Charles for completing fantastic work to such a high standard, and well done to Ollie for writing a brilliantly descriptive troll story. In 2K, well done to Alia for putting so much effort into every lesson, and congratulations to Tommy for super compass work this week. In 4D, congratulations to Gina for putting in so much effort into working independently on Seesaw tasks and always being willing to answer questions during discussion time. Also in 4D, well done to Saya for working independently on her tasks on Seesaw and producing some super pieces of work. In 2R, congratulations to Auka for an amazing comic strip using speech bubbles to retell the story, and to Michael for following instructions carefully and producing a fantastic image of a gazelle. In 3K, well done to Dave for his outstanding piece of work using a plastic bottle to make a toy. And to Artus for producing an outstanding picture of his troll and being so brave and confident when sharing what he'd learned. And finally, in 4F, congratulations to Rayan for superb effort in all lessons, and Layla for an outstanding presentation on global warming. Fantastic. Congratulations to everybody in the Snakeskin Golden Book this week. No matter where you are and who you're with, I'd like everyone to give everyone in the Golden Book a big round of applause. Well done, everyone. Keep working hard, and we'll have some super new names in the Golden Book next week. Now, as I said at the beginning, I know that you are all working very, very hard. And sometimes it can be quite difficult to be at home all the time, like we have to be at the moment. And when you're at home all the time and with the same people a lot, it can sometimes, you might find that you get irritated with your older brother or your younger sister, or your mum might annoy you sometimes. It's natural. It happens to all of us. But what I'd like you to do, every day, I'd like you to try and be kind to every single person in your house, no matter how fed up you're feeling. One kind word can change someone's whole day. So I'd like you to think about being kind to everyone in your house at least once a day. A little bit of kindness can go a long way into making other people feel better. And when the people around you are feeling happy, you're more likely to feel happy. I just wanted to let you know that I'm thinking of you all and I'm missing you all very much. But I am so happy that we're all able to be on Zoom and be on Seesaw doing such fantastic work. I am popping into as many classes as I can. I managed to see a few classes this week, and hopefully I'll see a few more next week. However, on Seesaw, I am having a look at what everybody's doing. So next week, I will try and make a few comments on some of your work so you know that I've seen it. But well done to you all, and thank you to everybody for working so hard this week. I'd also like you to go and give a big hug to your parents and anyone that helps you with your learning while you're at home. I know it's not always easy, and sometimes you might need help, and the teacher might not be there to give it to you. And your parents or whoever it is that's helping you is always there. So please, can everyone at the end of this assembly go and give someone in their house a big hug? Remember, kindness goes a long way. Have a lovely weekend, everyone, and I will see you next week.